All right, welcome back to the Teacher's Tech Bar. We're going to be talking about Google Classroom today, and this is a special for the Rivers Middle School. So let's go ahead and jump into the Google Classroom app here on the iPad. I am lucky enough to have been asked to join Miss Wilbur's class, and you can see it up here at the top, Math Block A. So let's go and tap that Math Block A and get right in there. So as you can see, it has Stream, Classwork, and People along the bottom. Stream is a good option to just see kind of everything. However, it gets a little bit cluttered as more and more assignments get added and it's hard to find things. So the place I really like to go is Classwork. And under there, you can see all the different assignments, and Miss Wilbur has organized these in a way that she would like so that it's easy for you to follow. And as more assignments get added and more units get added, you can actually hit these 3 lines at the top right corner that form a triangle, and it'll give you the option to jump to a specific unit. So for example, in this case, we only have one solving equations unit, but there'll be others in the future. So for now, I'll just tap on that and it'll take to all the assignments and materials related to that unit. If you jump into one of these assignments, you can see there's going to be information about the assignment, and Miss Wilbur has a video we can watch. And at the bottom, you see the up arrow there. It also says that I haven't done my homework. I'm currently missing this one. When was this one due? This is due at 8 a.m. It's now 8:05, so I'm late on this one. So I better hit the up arrow at the bottom and add an attachment. And you can see there's a whole host of different things you can attach. I would recommend jumping over to another video that I've created after this to look at how we can connect Notability to Google Classroom, so that if you do something in Notability, you can quickly attach it here. But if you're doing something where you want to make a new Google Doc or a Google Slide or a sheet, you can do that. If you've done something on paper, done artwork on paper, whatever it may be, you can just use your camera and snap a picture of it. Marking it as done will be really helpful, because if I hit these 3 lines on the top left corner, it'll take me over to this menu here to see all my different classes, but it will also give me this option here as to do. And this will show all the different classes that I have work in and the things that I'm missing and when those dates that they are due. And if I've hit done, or it'll be showing up over here, but clearly, sorry, Miss Wilbur, I got to get to work. I have a lot to do because nothing has been done for your class. Don't get mad at me. Another place that you can look for homework assignments is right in your calendar. So if a teacher puts the time of the due date, then it will show up on your calendar. But look, it's not here. Where is my calendar? Well, I haven't added it yet. So if I look at the 3 dots again on the left, it's nice that Google is very consistent with their buttons here. I can see where it says show more in the middle of the left side. And as I look at all these different calendars, you can see that Math Block A is a selection, but it's not clicked. So I want to make sure I tap it and get a check mark. And now you can see in this nice pink color here are all my assignments for that particular class. And so if you're on here already to look for your Zoom meetings, it's another place to be able to find your assignments. So if I tap on Tuesday at 8 o'clock, you can see that it gives me the link and it will shoot me right back over to Classroom to that assignment where I just was. So these are the main tips for working with Google Classroom. I encourage you to stay in this classwork page, to stay organized. Make sure you know how to submit something. Make sure you know how to find the calendar for this on your Google Calendar. One thing that I didn't point out earlier that I should have is how to join this class. So Miss Wilbur could either send me an email with an invite, and I should check my email to see if I got any of those from her. But if I didn't, I can also ask her for the class code, and I would hit a plus sign on the bottom right corner where it says join class. And then when I'm in that menu, I would type in the class code that she gives me, and then I would hit join in the top right corner. So that's how it goes for any class. So make sure you check your emails to see if you've got any invitations to join some classes, or ask your teacher for the class code and then hit join. All right. Happy to help if you have further questions, but good luck. And I know your teachers have worked so hard to make this switch over to Google Classroom. So enjoy all the great classes that they're going to teach in the coming